selecting patterns. Turn the power switch on. It may take a while until the machine is ready. The right touch screen will show straight stitch of the utilities stitches. The following will be displayed: sewing categories, sewing groups, pattern selection keys, sewing pattern, recommended presser foot, adjust keys, function keys. In the ordinary sewing mode, there are 4 categories available: utility stitches and buttonhole, decorative and quilting stitches, monogramming, tapering. Let's select the satin group stitch pattern number 4 in the decorative and quilting stitches category. The satin stitch pattern number 4 has been selected. Altering stitch length and width. You can alter the stitch length and stitch width as you select the pattern you desire. Press the plus or minus key and slot values beside the setting you wish to change the setting. You can change the following: stitch width, stitch length, elongation ratio, thread tension, foot pressure. Press the default key to return the settings to the default values. For straight stitches, you can move the needle draw position by pressing the plus or minus key. Press the plus key to move the needle draw position to the right. Press the minus key to move the needle draw position to the left. You can also change the settings on the middle touch screen. Stitch length and width can be changed with the stitch length adjusting dial and stitch width adjusting dial. Turn the stitch width adjusting dial to adjust the stitch width. Turn the stitch length adjusting dial to adjust the stitch length.